Congressional Republicans passed a budget resolution requiring certain agencies to cut $880 billion over the next 10 years.
While the resolution does not explicitly mention Medicaid, experts say they can't cut that much without slashing Medicaid. Ireland Viscount Joyce is now with this story. Ireland.
Valerie and Dennis, more than 80 million people rely on Medicaid, about 3 million in Pennsylvania.
Really important to be just making our legislators and key stakeholders federally aware of how important these programs are.
Medicaid cuts would really have a devastating impact for children.
Nearly 1.2 million kids rely on Medicaid across the Commonwealth.
Not only the well child visits that children need as they age and are growing, and the developmental screenings and immunizations that are needed, but also for kids who may have chronic illnesses.
If this program is cut, it means people won't get the preventative care they need to thrive. Pregnant women won't have access to maternal care, and seniors won't be able to afford nursing homes and long-term care at home.
Our programs and our providers that are members of our association rely on these Medicaid funds to support our aging and our physically disabled populations, as well as medically complex children who are receiving nursing services.
Medicaid also serves as a critical safety net for families of active duty service members and veterans.
There is a government health insurance program called TRICARE that covers military families. But what many people might not realize is, it still leaves military families with out-of-pocket costs. And so Medicaid really becomes an important secondary insurance.
We reached out to Congressman Scott Perry and Dan Muser. Muser said in a statement, no Medicaid or Medicare benefits will be reduced. The only reductions will be to waste, abuse, fraud, and ineligibility within the system if found, which I believe 98% of Americans support. Our country is overspending by nearly $2 trillion a year.
We would encourage budget cuts to come, in a different form, or looking at other areas that would be, less intrusive, or, having less of an impact for kids and the benefits that they need to thrive.
Ludwig says it's important now more than ever to make your voices heard, especially those who rely on Medicaid. Ludwig encourages you to reach out to your congressional members and tell them what Medicaid has done for you and your family. Valerie.
Thank you, Arlen.